history of Magna is an incredible story. It actually started off in a garage down on DuPont by Frank Stronach, and now it's grown into a multi-country company where our prime focus is auto parts. We're focused on sustainability, R&D, and innovation. Plastcoat is a company under the exteriors umbrella. We primarily produce plastic injection molded parts. We have a lot of cool, intricate processes here at Plastcoat, whereas we take metal stampings, insert them into the presses, and inject plastic over them. We purchased this building in 1995 and have grown it to the place that it is today. We have about 40 injection molding machines, 9 different brands, a lot of intricate processes, robotics. We have a little bit of everything in the plant here.
So now there's a big push or initiative towards sustainability, recognizing the needs to reduce the energy, the power, water, as well as moving into the carbon neutral goal and requirement that's going on out there today. So we've got a requirement to meet certain criteria as far as sustainability.
Over the last few years that we've been using the Power Radar Rentechnic system, we've been able to save a numerous amount of money. It has to be close to $2 million. We've been able to reduce our energy costs. Currently we have 350 sensors hooked up throughout our facility on various different pieces of equipment, from our injection molding machines to our thermalators to our mold masters. We are able to have the app on our phone, which gives us the option of a push notice. I can set up all my alarms and my alerts to my phone and my team's phones. So if there's an issue on the floor that we have currently set up, we can set that alarm to give them a notice on their phone like a text message, instead of constantly getting an email where if you have 100 emails a day, you might accidentally skip over it. This will give you a notice right to your phone or whoever you want to at that point. One of the things I'm looking forward to in the future with our system that we're currently using is getting into a predictive state of maintenance, be able to determine many and multiple things throughout the board that we could see are going to happen beforehand, be able to do the repairs well in advance, produce way more parts and way less downtime. One of the other things that we're really looking forward to is the liquid level system that we are currently installing. This will help us hopefully prevent any leaks throughout the machine when it comes to oil, so less oil usage, less oil waste, as well as less downtime on the machine stopping.
The Power Radar monitors have been an excellent tool towards tracking that data that we need to see for, again, energy usage, gas usage, water usage, air consumption, all of those key measurables that we need to impact the improvement on our sustainability.
Working with Rentechnic, one of the best parts I found was kind of the hands-on. Any time we decided to try something new, they'll come right into shop, work hand in hand with me and my technicians. We share data back and forth, work together, and it's been fantastic.